Pune, often referred to as the Oxford of the East, earned this prestigious title due to its rich academic heritage and the presence of numerous esteemed educational institutions. This nickname was first attributed to Pune by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, India's first Prime Minister, who recognized the city's significant contributions to education and learning. Nehru's vision was to make Pune a center of excellence for higher education, much like Oxford in England, which has a global reputation for academic distinction. The Oxford of the East title reflects Pune's transformation into an educational hub over the decades. The city is home to several prominent institutions, including the Savitribai Phule Pune University, Fergusson College, Symbiosis International University, and the Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, IES. These institutions offer a diverse range of programs in various disciplines, attracting students from across India and around the world. The emphasis on high academic standards, cutting-edge research, and holistic development has cemented Pune's reputation as a premier destination for higher education. Today, Pune continues to play a pivotal role in shaping India's educational landscape. The city's institutions are known for their innovative teaching methods, state-of-the-art facilities, and a strong focus on research and development. The collaborative environment fosters creativity and intellectual growth, enabling students to excel in their chosen fields. Pune's vibrant academic culture also extends beyond the classroom, with numerous cultural, literary, and intellectual events that enrich the student experience and promote a spirit of inquiry and exploration. The significance of Pune as the Oxford of the East is further highlighted by its impact on the local and national economy. The influx of students and academic professionals has spurred the growth of various sectors, including housing, transportation, and retail. The city's thriving educational ecosystem has also attracted significant investments in technology and innovation, making Pune a hub for startups and entrepreneurial ventures. This synergy between education and industry has created a dynamic and prosperous environment that benefits the entire community. In conclusion, Pune's designation as the Oxford of the East is a testament to its enduring commitment to academic excellence and intellectual growth. The city's prestigious institutions, diverse academic programs, and vibrant cultural scene continue to attract and inspire students from all walks of life. As Pune evolves and adapts to the changing landscape of education, its legacy as a center of learning and innovation remains as strong as ever, cementing its place as a beacon of knowledge in India and beyond.